14 diet life hacks to help you eat healthier. It's no secret that the key to staying fit is eating healthy and getting plenty of regular exercise. While these are surefire ways to help you lose weight, there are also some special, more unknown diet hacks that could also help you shed a few extra pounds. Go ahead and try them out for yourself if you're hoping to lose a little weight this coming year. Welcome to Life Hack Lion, the channel that roars the secrets of life. Make sure to watch this video until the end because we don't want you to miss a thing. And if you don't know us yet, we at Life Hack Lion are specialized in creating life hack ideas, tips and tricks, content that are fun and can absolutely make your life easier. Many of us want to eat better, but wanting and doing are two different things. Turn those noble intentions into actions by trying out these simple life hacks designed to improve your diet and your overall health in the process. Here are 14 hacks that will help you eat healthier. Number 1. Avoid sugary drinks. One way you can make a big difference in your diet is by ditching the soda and sugary fruit drinks. A glass of soda will load you up with sugar and calories while doing nothing to satiate your hunger. Bottom line, if you're thirsty, drink some water. Number 2. Pre-cut veggies. A little prep can go a long way to guiding you toward healthier choices. By slicing up raw veggies and having them on hand, ready to go, or if you prefer, buy pre-cut vegetables at the supermarket. You'll have something quick, convenient, and healthy upon which to snack when cravings strike. Number 3. Don't buy junk food. It seems obvious, but if your kitchen cupboards are packed with Oreos and potato chips, there's a pretty good chance you'll be tempted to dive in and indulge. By simply not buying addictive, unhealthy junk food, you'll be driven to seek out healthier options for snack time. Number 4. Eat breakfast early. Not only should you not skip breakfast, but eating the meal nutritionists believe is the most important of the day will actually boost your metabolism first thing in the morning, essentially speeding it up after it's slowed down to conserve the energy you've stored. Eating right after waking up will kickstart the process of waking up your metabolism. Number 5. Make lunch the night before. You intend to make yourself a healthy lunch to take to work. But how many times have last-minute things popped up in the morning that send you scrambling out the door, lunch-free? Mornings are always busy, which is why you should always make your lunch the night before. Say, when you're cleaning up from dinner, thus ensuring your grumbling stomach won't be sending you to grab a quick burger and fries when lunchtime comes around. Number 6. Plan your meals. What this idea lacks in spontaneity, it more than makes up for in practicality. Not only will shopping with a purpose in order to plan out a week's worth of meals save you the hassle of figuring out what's for dinner, it will also ensure the meals you have are hearty and healthy as you planned. Number 7. Don't shop hungry. Here's a hack that's not exactly rocket science, but by eating some fruit or a granola bar before heading to the supermarket, you'll be inclined to stick with the healthy choices on your grocery list and avoid those tempting impulse buys you're likely to dump in your cart when your stomach is growling. Number 8. Use smaller plates. Want to outsmart yourself into eating healthier? Then simply eat off smaller plates. The theory is that your brain will see a plate full of food, regardless of the size of the plate, and feel more satiated when the plate is empty, which will lead you to feel full faster and prevent overeating. In fact, university studies say that this is based on a proven psychological principle and actually works. Number 9. Have a stash of healthy snacks. If you have a penchant for snacking, stop trying to resist the urge. Instead, try stocking up on healthy, wholesome snacks that will keep your cravings at bay without damaging your diet. To ensure this plan works, keep your healthy snacks handy, in a spot where you can see them, such as a bowl of fruit or container of nuts. Number 10. Drink water with lemon. While drinking a lot of water is a great way to improve your overall health, try adding a squeeze of lemon to your H2O. Not only will lemon water help you stave off between meal cravings, it will also aid digestion and may even contribute to weight loss. Number 11. Plan for leftovers. When planning meals, it's a good idea to make enough so there will be ample leftovers that can be used in packed lunches or subsequent meals. As a bonus, you will have double the volume of healthy food with half the cleanup. Number 12, eat before you eat. If you have a dinner party or social engagement where you know there will likely be tempting, bad-for-you food, then eat a healthy, filling meal beforehand. In fact, eating lightly before meals, say crunching an apple about 15 minutes before lunch, tends to make us eat fewer calories when mealtime rolls around. Number 13, eat smaller meals more often. Eating breakfast, lunch, and dinner may be leading you to make unhealthy food choices. One between meal snacking gets the better of you. That's why you should consider eating smaller meals more often throughout the day, which nutritionists believe places less stress on the digestive system. Our bodies were designed for grazing, and smaller meals help the body to function more efficiently. Number 14, eat more fat. While this may seem to counter conventional wisdom, eat less fat to lose weight, some research suggests that it's better to eat more fat instead of less, so long as it's good fat, such as that contained in nuts, avocados, and fish. Food that are rich in fat will help you feel satiated and won't trigger the insulin high and subsequent crash we experience after eating processed carbs. Got some healthy diet advice? Share them in the comments down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Lifehack Lion and make sure to hit that notification bell icon to be the first to watch our newest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and until our next roaring Lifehack Lion video.